Alright guys, welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I'll be introducing to us the Efsane Airdrop project, and I'll be guiding us on how to sign up, and I'll also show you different ways you can, perform your task on this platform. I'll show you how to, swap from the native token to USDT and get to make withdrawal, and I'll also show you how you can maximize your earnings on this platform. And you don't need to fade this particular project because it's not like one of those airdrop projects that you wait many months before you get to make withdrawal. Okay, so you shouldn't fade this one at all. A lot of people missed out on pie already. So let's dive right into the video. Let me guide you on how you can get started. Alright guys, so once you click on the link in the description of the video or the first comment in the comment section, this is where it's going to bring you. This is the registration interface of the Efsane Airdrop project. Okay, so once you get to this place, the first thing you would like to do is to put your phone number here. You see your phone number here. Put your phone number. Don't ignore the first zero like we normally do in other projects. Put the first zero. If it's 090 for you, if you are a Nigerian, you put your phone number here. If you are from another country, this is where you select your country code here. This is where you select it. Once you click on it, the list of all the countries will come out and you select your country code. Okay, so once you select it, the next thing you do is to put your phone number here. Then once you have put your phone number, this invitation code, you can ignore it, but once you click the link, the invitation code will be there already. Okay, to be there already, so it will be my own invitation code. I'll be there. Just leave it and you click on this send verification code. Once you are done clicking the send a verification code, they will send you a code via your WhatsApp, and you quickly go there. You just scroll down, copy it, then paste it right there. Then you select your password, you confirm the password, you click on register. After it has shown you registration successful, you now go ahead to actually log in. You now click on login. So when you click on login, you now put your phone number, you select your country code, put your password, and that's basically it, guys. Once you log on, you'll now be greeted with this interface. Let me show you. Once you log on, you'll be greeted with this interface, and the first thing you need to do is to click on this spot account. Look at this spot account. Click on that. Okay, click on the spot account. Then you see this is a new account. Then you see, look at this. So this is what I was given when I registered. 11,000 Shiba Inu token. Then this 2,000, it was actually 2,000 gems that I was given as a registration bonus. Then my first signing, I was given 400. Then my second signing, another 400 gem. And that is what the 42 cents that you are seeing right here. So guys, that is basically it for the Efsane project. So the next thing you want to do, click on this personal center again. Click on the personal center. There's something I want to show you so that you'll be able to set it up. Click on that personal center. Look at this. There's an airdrop address here. Okay, but the first thing you will do is click on this sign in. Your own will be active, so you click on sign in and you get 400 gems. Okay, click on it, you get 400 gems. Okay, I've signed in twice now, that is yesterday and today. Then I've gotten 800 gems plus the 2,000 gem bonus that I was given immediately I registered. So to fill up this place, you just need to click there, put your name, that is my name there. Then you put your wallet address here. You can see wallet address here. You put it there. Then you can choose image if you want to put your image there. It's not really compulsory. Okay. So the next thing you want to do is to come here. So come here. You can join this Telegram channel, join official community, join the subscribe to YouTube, then join the WhatsApp community as well. Then you can come right here, up here, come right up here. Let me show you. Okay, click here, then click on personal center again. Then click on, look at this invitation reward. Click on this invitation reward. Okay, scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to see invitation link. Avoid the code. Click on invitation link. You are going to copy your link, share your WhatsApp status, share on all your social media handles, invite your friends, okay? Because this was how some people did Pi, and they accumulated a lot of Pi tokens. They didn't know that that will give them millions of naira, or hundreds of dollars or thousands of dollars in the long run. So guys, share, invite more people to join, okay? Because once this token gets listed on exchange, you won't believe how much they are going to, the price per token. You won't believe it. So guys, let's invite people to be part of this. Okay, so the next thing that I want to quickly show you is this task center. You look at this task center, you see share lucky draw. Okay, then lucky draw betting, then daily check-in. Then look at this new user registration, and you can see that I've completed these ones. Daily check-in, always do this daily check-in. It will give you 400 gems. Then invite people. This lucky draw betting, this is probable, like it's probabilistic. Okay, you are not certain that you are going to win anything there, but what you are certain is this daily check-in and your user what's it called, and your invitation. Okay, so guys, let me show you one last thing here. Let me show you. Okay, I want to show you something right here under this spot. So look at this now. Let's go to withdrawal. Okay, say minimum withdrawal is what? $11. So once you have up to $11, you withdraw directly. Look at this. You can choose, it's not only, you can use BNB Smart Chain to withdraw. Once you have $11, you withdraw. You put your address here. Then handling fee is 1 USDT. That means if you withdraw $11, $1, they will charge you $1 as the fee. Okay, so I think the next thing I should show you here is this flash swap. Okay, look at this. So you can swap from gem, can flash from this gem to other tokens. Okay, you can flash from this gem to this frozen EFS, that is Efsane native token. This Efsane native token, look at this Efsane native token, look at it. Okay, look at it. So Efsane native token, you can swap from the gem you are claiming daily to this Efsane native token, and this Efsane native token is going to be listed on exchanges like very, very soon. So this is why you have to accumulate as much as possible, as many as you can, because once it's listed, you won't believe it. Like, you won't believe the price it will be listed. Okay, so accumulate as much as you can, guys, so that you have enough to sell once it's listed on an exchange. So that is basically it, guys. Okay, so let's look at this. Say purchase limit 400 gems. One gem is equal to 0.00049999 frozen EFS. Okay guys, so that is basically it. Hit the like button, hit the share button, and comment. If you have questions, go to the comment section and drop it. Then if you want to get started, click on the link in the description of the video or the first comment in the comment section, and you'll be able to register and start checking in daily, like signing in daily to accumulate enough gems that you'll be able to convert to frozen EFS, so that once they list, you have enough of it to sell, guys. So but that is basically it, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.